Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Keeping Up with China. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be crocheting my sister's hair. As you guys can see, she has a lot of flyaways, a lot of, I would say, breakage, because I feel like she's always itching. Well, she used to always itch the back of her hair a lot, not just the back, but the back and the front. So she has like a lot of those flyaways in the back of her hair and also in the front. The middle is kind of better, but the back and the front, she used to like itch them really harsh, and that would cause like breakage to her locks. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fix them. Just a little disclaimer, you guys, my little sister will be playing in the background, so that's why there's so much stuff on the floor, you guys, so I'm sorry about that. And also, you guys will see her jumping up and down in the background. Just don't mind her. Just, continue watching the video. But what I'm using to crocheting her hair, and actually after that, I'm gonna do a double strand retwist. I'm gonna use the crochets that I've had for like a few years now. I will link them down below if you guys are interested in purchasing them. And when I do retwist her hair, I only use my oil, my naturally defined aloe vera oil. If you guys are interested, you guys can go and purchase that. The website is right there, and also it's going to be down in the description box if you guys are interested in buying one or two or as many bottles as you want. I'm going to do a slow motion for you guys. Well, not a slow motion, but like a regular play for you guys, so you guys can see how I'm going about crocheting her flyaways. And then after that, the rest of the video, for the most part, it will be fast forwarded, because it will be really long if I didn't. But yeah, you guys, so if you guys have any question regarding this process, or any questions at all, just leave it down below. Besides that, you guys, her hair has been doing so much better, like so much better. Like, her hair looks so much healthier. I barely see length. Like, I only see length in like what, probably like 2 locks or something like that, and it's very minimal. So her hair is doing really good, and it's growing very nicely. They're very thick, healthy. She moisturizes them more often now, and also oil them a couple of times a week. So her hair is doing really good, you guys. If you guys have any questions, again, leave them down below, and just enjoy the rest of the video.